Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony headphones to your phone. First, power on your headphones by pressing and holding the power button for approximately 2 seconds. For initial pairing, they often enter pairing mode automatically. If connecting to a second device, hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a voice prompt saying, Bluetooth pairing. Next, open your phone settings and turn on its Bluetooth feature. Once your phone's Bluetooth is active, it will begin scanning for nearby devices. Look for your Sony headphones in the list of available devices and tap on their name to initiate the connection. Your phone might display a pairing request. Simply confirm it. Sometimes, a passkey like 4 zeros is required. After a moment, you should hear a voice prompt from your headphones confirming they are now connected and ready to use. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your phone and headphones are within 1 meter or about 3 feet of each other. Also, check that both devices have ample battery life. A simple restart can often resolve minor glitches. Try turning your phone's Bluetooth off and then back on. If that doesn't work, power cycle both your headphones and your phone completely before attempting to connect again. For an even quicker connection, if both your phone and headphones feature NFC, simply touch your phone to the N mark on the headphones. For advanced customization, download the Sony Sound Connect app, formerly known as Headphones Connect. This application allows you to fine-tune settings such as the equalizer and noise canceling. You can also easily update your headphones software to ensure optimal performance and access new features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.